Pune has always been a beautiful place to live in. But this very reason it attracted a lot of developers, a lot of residents to this beautiful Pune city. But again, this development was concentrated in few hubs and few locations. And this brought back the problems of a city, congestion and dust and smoke all around you. And this compromised Pune's natural beauty. This is the very reason we created Abitante Fiore, because you have to inhale dust and smoke all throughout your daily city mundane life. Why can't you come home to acres of greenery with beauty of nature all around you?
You know the simple fact is, where else in India will you find 45 acres of greenery in the midst of city? Perfectly sandwiched between city's modern development and miles of no construction zones. Baudan, specifically Puranic's Abhidante Fiore, the best place to live in. If you look at the way Abhidante Fiore is built, we are creating a wholesome, independent lifestyle in the lap of nature. So we have already delivered more than 600 apartments in our first phase, and we are looking forward to add another 2,000 apartments in our next two phases of development.
This unique idea of bring nature to you is was facing a lot of challenges, because the very fact that we are building something or constructing something is you're disturbing nature. The challenge that we faced was how to bring this nature back to you in your daily life when you're living in a constructed premises. Our challenge was to integrate natural amenities seamlessly into our residents' daily routine. We were able to achieve this with Green Amphitheatre, which really brings the outdoor area together. Homes at Abitante Fiore have a balcony garden, which is another innovation to bring nature into your home. And we also have a green entrance lobby.
For customers, the biggest draw at Abhidante Fiore is the complete package which this project offers. Whether it's beautifully designed 1 BHK, 2 BHK or 3 BHKs which are designed with a mindset of perfect space utilization, or the amenities which draws the customer outside and let the person explore so much more in terms of the tranquility and lifestyle. Amenities like the multifaceted clubhouse, which is not only appealing to every individual but to every family staying in that project by offering immense range of activities. Another amazing attraction is the swimming pool, which lets a customer not only completely relax but to rejuvenate. The serene mood becomes your way of life when you're surrounded by the beautiful landscapes and you have millions of places to sit and to just soak in that surrounding.
Honestly, this is a kind of place I would love to live in. And this is how we approach our designs, by placing ourselves in our customers' shoes and envisaging what their lives would look like.
We really wanted to create something for the Punekars, and we always thought that as a Punekar, as a resident, you really deserve to bring up your children in an area of ample greenery with a lot of space for children to play around. And of course, you deserve to live in a pollution-free atmosphere with a fantastic air quality. And that is why we created Abitante Fiore, where nature comes to you. You get to enjoy nature while you're staying at home. You get to enjoy nature when you are enjoying the external amenities like amphitheatre, etc. In fact, if you look at the air quality index at Abitante Fiore, we are satisfactory or even good on all parameters of an air quality index. So when we thought of this unique concept of bringing nature back to you, so we really thought that we can create amenities, we can create open spaces, we can create greenery around you, but an air quality is something we cannot change. It has to be there in that area. So we commissioned a study and then studied the air quality in and around Abitante Fiore, in and around Puranic's Abitante Fiore, Baudan. And to a great surprise, we found that it really has an excellent air quality index. We are almost satisfactory, almost good in all parameters. I'm really proud of the change we are bringing in the lives of Punekars. They deserve to bring up their children in an environment of ample space, beautiful greenery, and of course an excellent air quality. And this can be experienced only in Abitante Fiore. मला खूपच अभिमान वाटतो की एक निसर्गाशी जवळीक साधणारी नाविन्यपूर्ण जीवनशैली आम्ही पुणेकरांसाठी घेऊन येतोय. पुराणिक अबितांते फिओरेच्या घरामध्ये मी तुमचं स्वागत करतो.